Standard Jobs Page Customization. You can customize what you see and how your Standard Jobs page is organized. By default, the Standard Jobs page has 5 columns, as previously discussed, and shows the first 30 items. The items per page setting is found at the bottom of the page. In the bottom right-hand corner, we can see 1 through 30 of 44 total items are shown. The buttons on the right-hand side allow you to switch between the pages. To skip to a particular page, click the page number or use the arrows. You can also jump to the end of the list by clicking on the Go to Last Page button. Accordingly, the item number on the right is now 31 through 44 of 44 items. Of course, you can always navigate back using the arrows. If you want to change the number of items shown, click on the Items per Page drop-down menu. This can be helpful when you want to see all of your jobs at once, or you want to see a set of filters so you have a better overview. You can choose to see 30, 50, 100, or even 200 items at a time. Let's change our view to 50. We now see all of our items on one page. If our list had more than 50 items, they would be spread across several pages. You can change it back the same way you set it. The order of the items listed on the page is based on the creation date. The more recently a job was created, the closer to the top it will be. In other words, the older the project, the further down on the list it will be. This date is not based on when the project came in or when the quote was sent. It also has nothing to do with the deadline. If you want to change the sequence, you can do so by clicking on the column headers. Click once to sort in ascending order. Double-click to sort in descending order. A third click will return to the default setting. You also have the ability to customize what columns are shown, as well as in what order they appear. This allows you to efficiently see all the information you need on one page. Let's take a look at how to add information to this overview. To customize the content and order of the jobs, click on Columns. Please note, as of February 2019, this link is now called Edit View. The pop-up window shows all the customizations possible. Here we see the column title as well as the description of each. The job reference and links to the cat editor are always selected. The columns will appear in the order that they are listed here. If you would like to change this order, use the arrows. Simply click the up or down arrows to move that item on the column list. To remove a column from your view, deselect the checked box. To add a column to the page, just check the box. By clicking Save, you will have customized your column view and created a new default setting. The page will automatically refresh with the new columns and sequence. Columns that have been deselected will no longer appear, and new columns will appear in the order we have decided. You can change these settings at any time by using these features. This customization only affects your account and does not affect those of your employees. So it's important to remember that you may be seeing information others don't.